In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 600 by 4 using the long division method. See that 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, we get 2. Now 2 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 0 here. And we know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. As 0 is less than 4, that is why we will bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0, so we can remove 1 0. And we know that 4 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 600 divided by 4 is equal to 150. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.